The Jalastra submarine of 2025 stands as one of the most revolutionary naval platforms introduced in modern maritime history. It represents a fusion of cutting-edge technology, stealth design, next-generation propulsion systems, and an operational philosophy that emphasizes versatility, survivability, and deterrence. Developed under a highly secretive defense program, the Jalastra was built not merely to patrol or defend coastlines, but to project naval dominance deep into enemy waters while maintaining the lowest possible profile. The origins of the Jalastra submarine lie in the aftermath of various global naval conflicts where traditional submarine designs revealed inherent limitations. The need for a new generation underwater vessel capable of adapting to multi-theater warfare, counter-drone strategies, and high-speed underwater engagements became pressing. As a result, naval engineers and strategists were brought together from various allied nations under a unified project code-named Jalastra, meaning oceanic flame, in an ancient Indo-European dialect. The name reflects the duality of firepower and deep-sea agility that the submarine embodies. The exterior hull of the Jalastra utilizes a new nano-ceramic composite material that provides not only extreme pressure resistance at depths exceeding 900 meters but also a radical reduction in acoustic signature. The body absorbs sonar waves through a multi-layered surface, combined with biomimetic coatings that replicate marine lifeforms like jellyfish and squid to confuse enemy sonar. Internally, the double hull structure supports modular loadouts, which means the Jalastra can be quickly reconfigured for anti-submarine warfare, strategic missile deployment, special operations support, or reconnaissance missions. A landmark innovation in the Jalastra's architecture is its silent vector propulsion system. Unlike conventional propeller-based systems, this one uses electromagnetic water ionization for thrust. This renders the submarine nearly invisible to both active and passive sonar systems, especially at cruising speeds. Furthermore, its maneuvering capabilities are comparable to those of an underwater drone, giving it an edge in both narrow choke points and deep ocean evasion scenarios. The command and control suite inside the Jalastra is powered by the Quantum Sync AI platform. This advanced artificial intelligence system interfaces with every subsystem onboard, predicting threats in real time, automatically allocating power and stealth resources, and coordinating weapons systems based on tactical priorities. For example, if a hostile anti-submarine aircraft is detected, the AI can choose to either deploy electronic countermeasures, redirect the submarine's heat and acoustic emissions, or even initiate preemptive decoy deployment based on previously stored enemy tactics. Crew comfort and endurance were also crucial design factors. The Jalastra has an extended mission range of up to 180 days without surfacing, made possible through its closed-loop life support systems, hydroponic food production units, and next-gen air and water recycling modules. The interior is modular and ergonomic, allowing the crew of 40 to operate in shifts with minimal stress. Each operator station is connected to a smart control hub, capable of learning each operator's habits, improving efficiency over time. In terms of offensive capabilities, the Jalastra is armed with the Trident FX hypersonic cruise missile system, which has a range exceeding 2,000 kilometers and is capable of both land attack and anti-ship configurations. These missiles are launched from vertical silos positioned midship and are integrated with an autonomous targeting system using real-time satellite and underwater drone relays. The submarine also carries advanced heavyweight torpedoes with thermal wake homing technology and smart mine deployment pods that can lay sea mines with programmable detonation patterns. A significant game-changer in the Jalastra's arsenal is its capability to deploy and control a swarm of underwater drones, known as Kraken nodes. These drones act as both sensors and attackers, creating a net of surveillance and tactical options around the submarine. Capable of relaying information via laser-based underwater communications, the Kraken nodes extend the submarine's awareness radius to over 500 kilometers in all directions. They can also engage enemy vessels independently or act as sacrificial decoys, overwhelming enemy sonar with false data. Jalastra's reactor is another marvel of engineering. It uses a third-generation thorium-based molten salt reactor, which is not only safer than traditional nuclear reactors but also more efficient. The compact size of the power unit allows for more internal space for systems and crew, while its output is sufficient to support all the advanced propulsion, weapons, and life support systems simultaneously. The submarine also features a heat-absorbing hull layer, reducing thermal signature and complicating detection by infrared satellites or thermographic underwater systems. The navigation and stealth fusion systems are integrated with underwater geospatial mapping that uses real-time tectonic and ocean current data. With this, the Jalastra can ride deep-sea currents to conserve energy and enhance stealth. This system, known as current sink navigation, is the first of its kind and allows the submarine to passively travel through major oceanic routes while maintaining total electronic silence. The submarine's bridge, known as the Command Nexus, is a panoramic AR-based operations center. Here, officers use gesture control and voice commands to manage the Jalastra's functions. The environment uses adaptive lighting, thermal balancing, and ambient soundscapes to reduce stress during prolonged missions. Moreover, the bridge is equipped with quantum-entangled communication relays, which ensure instant communication with naval headquarters irrespective of the submarine's position on the globe, completely immune to conventional jamming or interception methods. Another revolutionary feature is the Jalastra's ability to support stealth insertion of special operations units. The vessel is fitted with a covert deployment chamber that can accommodate up to 12 commandos with full gear, mini-submersibles, and autonomous underwater navigation systems. This chamber allows for rapid mission launches without surfacing, ideal for sabotage, espionage, and hostage recovery operations in enemy-controlled waters. On the defensive end, the Jalastra has a layered protection system. If threatened, the vessel can deploy counter-torpedo interceptors that launch from concealed lateral tubes. These mini-torpedoes use a combination of sonar jamming, magnetic disruption, and kinetic impact to neutralize incoming threats. Furthermore, the hull is embedded with reactive armor that absorbs and deflects low-grade underwater explosions, giving it an additional layer of survivability